Yeah, good morning, guys. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, we shall see today 3D pipeline. So, this is the 2D pipeline what we have. Or 2D viewing pipeline. Guys, is the screen visible? Guys, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is your 2D pipeline, guys. So, this is your 2D pipeline. First, what we are going to do is we are going to construct the world coordinates from the modeling coordinates. So, here in the first step, this is the first step. In this first step, what we are going to do is we are going to decide upon from the geometric object or from the plane what to display. So that will be done in the first step. In the second step, what we are going to do is we are going to decide upon where to display the selected object, where to display the selected object, where to display the selected object. So in the third step, what we are going to do is we are going to normalize that things. We are going to normalize the things. So fourth, we are going to map the normalized coordinates to individual screen coordinates. So this is your 2D pipeline, guys. So here, now my question is, this is your 2D pipeline. So you will be working with respect to how many axes? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Don't be idle. Respond through chat box or respond through voice. Here you will be working with respect to how many views or how many axes? Others apart from Manoj? Class ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Only 2 people, 3 people are there. Okay, guys. While working with respect to 3D, or while we are discussing with respect to 3D, in how many axes we are going to work? In how many axes we are going to work? With respect to 3D, while we are discussing about 3D pipeline, with respect to how many axes we are going to work? Others. Jivan. Okay, we are going to work with respect to 3 axes in 3D. That is, one more axis will be added. That is, Z axis will be added. That is, Z axis will be added while we are discussing with respect to 3D. Now, guys, is there any rule that Irapa? Now, guys, 2D pipeline you people have seen. 3D pipeline we are going to discuss today. We are going to discuss today 3D pipeline. So, guys, what might be the problem? What might be the problem in implementing 3D? Guess Madi. What might be the problem while implementing 3D pipeline or while building 3D objects? While building 3D objects, of course, Z-axis will be there. We will be getting all the views of the object. See here, in 2D means you are going to see only this mobile. Only this part of the mobile you can see. But if in 3D, you can see all the sides of this mobile. You can see all the sides of this mobile. Now, guys, while implementing the pipeline or viewing pipeline in with respect to 3D, there is one problem. What is that one? That has to be addressed in the pipeline. That is addressed in the pipeline. What is that one? Can you people guess? Jeevan, Manoj, Kaif, Mansoor, Kavya, Meghana, Monica, Navyasri, Tota Shashank, Yamini. Guys, think ಮಾಡ್ರೋ. Guys, answer to this question. While you are dealing with respect to 3D, of course, you will be having 3 axes. You will be having 3 axes. You will be having 3 axes, guys. You will be having 3 axes. You are going to build an image in that one. Now, is there any rule that the device is also 3D compatible? Is there any thumb rule that all the devices are 3D compatible? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ think ಮಾಡಿ. Others, Kaif, Jivan, hey, ಒಂದು 10 minutes respond ಮಾಡ್ರ. Not more than 10 minutes. So, 10 or 15 minutes ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. Are the devices 3D compatible? Or is there any thumb rule that all the devices are 3D compatible? So we need not to worry. We can just build the objects. Mansoor, Kaif. What about girls? See, guys, 44 people are there. Deepika, Kamlesh, Shailesh, Pranavi, Kavya, Manasa. So now coming to this, okay, no, yes, guys, obviously, what we need to do is we need to make sure that the objects, whatever we build, will be working in 3D also. Now guys, in 3D, will you people agree that these 4 steps will be there? For these 4 steps, what we need to do is we need to add some more steps. Or will it be entirely new thing? Will the pipeline consist of all these steps even in 2D? Or we are supposed to build a new pipeline? We need to make some alterations to this one, or we need to make a new pipeline? Answer to this question. We need to build a new pipeline, entirely new concept, from the existing one. We need to build a 3D pipeline. New or existing one? Others, will you people, what do you say? Yes, guys, what we need to do is we need to make some alterations to the existing pipeline, guys. There is no need to build the entirely new pipeline. So all the steps will be there itself. So guys, respond Madi. We need to make some alterations to the existing one, or should we build an entirely new thing? Guys, we need to make just some alterations to the pipeline, guys. Let us see what are those changes. Manoj, is my voice audible, man?
Yes, sir.
Guys, see here in 3D pipeline, what we are supposed to do is, okay, let me give the difference between 2D pipeline and 3D pipeline. Guys, in 3D pipeline, what we are supposed to do is, everything is same, guys. First, we are supposed to select the part of the geometric object which has to be displayed. That is achieved through world window. Next, we are supposed to decide upon where to display. That is done by viewport. World window, viewport, to same things we are doing in 3D also. First, we are going to consider the world coordinates using modeling coordinates. Next, we are going to convert the world coordinates to view coordinates. And next, what we are going to do is we are going to map viewing coordinates to normalized coordinates. And next, what we are going to do is we are going to map normalized coordinates to device coordinates. So, Irapa. Now, guys, what we should, everyone respond. Everyone reply hi. I want you people to answer, guys. Manoj. Others, at least if some 7 to 10 people are there, it will be nice, guys. Jeevan, no. Yeah, for this class, I put almost from 9 o'clock to 9:45. I prepared, man. I did not just directly sit in front of you people. I spent some 45 minutes. ಏನು ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಇದು ಬೇಡವನ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ ನೀವು ಮೂವರೇ ಕಟ್ರ at least you people respond. ನೋಡ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ in 3D what we're going to do is in 3D pipeline what we need to do is we need to ensure that the things which are in 2D they will be converted, they will be working fine even in 3D. That where we need to add that phase. Correct ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Did you understand my question? what we need to do is we need to make some alterations. If the image is in 3D, if the image is in XYZ axis, and if the device is in 2D, what we need to do is we need to make some transformations so that the image will work fine even in 2D also, 2D display also. That change where we should make? In the first stage or second stage, or in between first and second, or in between second and third, or in between third and fourth. Hey, we need to convert the 3D thing into 2D thing. At in which stage? From stage 1 to 2, or 2 to 3, or 3 to 4? In which stage, pa? It is between 1 to 2, or 2 to 3, or 3 to 4. Respond ಮಾಡಿ Manoj, Kaif, Mansoor, or even one of our friend.
250, sir.
Others, Mansoor bhai. Mansoor, Mansoor किधर पा? जीवन ಎಲ್ಲೋ ರಜಾ? ನೀನು 2D ಆಗ್ಲಿ 3D ಆಗ್ಲಿ, Jivan, see here, boss. It may be 2D or 3D. First, what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to do the convert from world coordinates to view coordinates, right? First, you are supposed to select what to display. Next, where to display. Before normalizing that one, you need to do that one, right? You need to do that operation between converting from view coordinates to the normalized coordinates, right? Between the position 2 to 3, you need to make that change, right? Yes or no? 100% correct, Manoj, Mansoor. While we are converting from view coordinates to normalized coordinates, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to do one transformation, so that the objects which are built in 3D, that will be displayed even in 2D devices. Okay, let us see how it is done. Let us see the 3D pipeline now. Like guys, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಕಣಪ್ಪ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ. It's up to you. If you show some interest, we can do. See here, first step, same as in 2D. From ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. See here, first what we are supposed to do is we will be having modeling coordinates. Yes, boss. See here, what are the changes happening? See here, first what we are doing is we are having modeling coordinates. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, I will use different thing. See boss, we are having modeling coordinates here. Yes, even we are having modeling coordinates. First what we do is we build modeling coordinates. So this is the first step. Even we are doing in 3D also same thing. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to construct world coordinates using modeling coordinates. Here, what we are doing using modeling coordinates, we are constructing world coordinates. Even the second step is also same. This is the second step. This is the second step. Next, what we are doing here, we are having here we are having here we are having world coordinates. What we are supposed to do is we are supposed to convert these world coordinates to view coordinates. So next, what we are doing, we are converting these world coordinates to view coordinates. Even the second step is same. One step is same. Second step is same. Third step. Before third step, see here what we are going to do is we are going to normalize the view coordinates with the window or viewport specifications. So here what we are going to do is we are going to do one more different types of transformation. That is projection transformation you are doing. This is the added step, guy. What you people told Manoj and Mansoor, that's correct. Manoj, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ? Did you people get the clarity? The step modeling coordinates to world coordinates is same. World coordinates to view ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Modeling from modeling coordinates to world coordinates ಇದೆ. World coordinates to viewport ಇದೆ. Modeling coordinates to viewport, world coordinates to viewport ಇದೆ. Next, before normalizing that one, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to add one more thing. That is transformation functions. That is projection transformation we are supposed to do. In projection transformation, what we do is we do 3D to 2D coordinate transformation. Coordinate transformation. And after we do the coordinate transformation, rest is same. What we are going to do is we are going to normalize the coordinates according to the window, and next we are according to the screen coordinates we are supposed to map. Guys, go through this one. Guys, see here. E phase ali. I will identify that one, highlight that one. See here, guys, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to make a change here. We are supposed to make a change here for 2D and 3D. We need to make a change there. Where I have highlighted with blue color, there we need to make some changes, guys. Guys, is this clear? ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಮನೋಜ್, ಮನ್ಸೂರ್. ಮನೋಜ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು 2D and 3D? ಮನ್ಸೂರ್, ಜೀವನ್.
Sir, last ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ವ್ಯೂ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸರ್?
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ವ್ಯೂ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ನಾರ್ಮಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕಣ. ವ್ಯೂ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಮನೋಜ್, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನನಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇದು ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಯು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಮನೋಜ್, ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರದು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಹೌದು. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ವೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಮನೋಜ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಸರ್. ಫೋನ್ ಇದೆ.
ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.